Hello and welcome to another update video about Enjin Coin. Enjin Coin, another of these coins where we tracked the pattern going through, and where I mentioned the breakouts actually before they happened, when we were in this descending wedge here, which is essentially bullish pattern. A lot of other cryptos did something similar. At the time I compared it to Coti, which was miles ahead in terms of the pattern compared to some other cryptos. Coti was really ahead. So when we look at Coti, we can see what's probably coming for a lot of these coins. Anyway, Coti did the same one. We had a cup and handle here. That cup handle forming now, came down once more, exactly what I said. But it's not that I have a crystal ball. I just read the patterns of other cryptos, and then it makes you think, and you can make your conclusions, So anyway, last time we had video here at 150. I did say, we could, in my view, based on the if that really breaks out. So first of all, before that breakout of that massive cup and handle, it can really take us to that 240 level here, or 235. That's where we need to get to. That is a previous high here. Actually, it's at 231. That is where we can get to, and where we need to get to in order to make further moves. This is where we have a huge breakout, if it really happens, right? Because from here, we can really get to new all-time highs. However, at the moment, we are still sort of consolidating, but we have a head and shoulders, an inverse head and shoulders, and that is the next coin, in my view, that could really break out. I mean, today we've seen a preparation. A lot of these coins, including Ethereum, including BNB, including XLM, they've all done the same thing. They've all come from down here, from a resistance, from a support level down here, come through in a very short period to exactly that neckline here. And the next move will be the breakout. The next move will be the breakout. Again, no breakout is guaranteed, but in my view, it is highly likely because Ethereum has done it. Just compare the Ethereum chart to the Enjin Coin chart and to the chart of XLM and so on. And maybe tomorrow we've got it, we've done it. It's pretty much imminent. We're here now. Maybe we'll get a bit of pushback from here, but a breakout here of this neckline will happen, and it's imminent. Again, we could push back from here and have it at another day, maybe a few days later, but in my view, it will happen. And from here then, if we take basically here the height of that head and add it to the neckline, that will take us possibly here, exactly to that high. Doesn't that work out well? That's at nearly 230. So that's where we can get to. That's the target level. And as I said, I try to give you these projects, these coins, these cryptos before the actual breakout happens. I had a few comments, yesterday I talked about 3 cryptos to break out: Filecoin, XLM. Know a few guys managed actually to get hold of some XLM, and they were really grateful for that because today we had a big move. Again, these videos are never financial advice. I don't want to tell you what to do, but I want to make you aware of these patterns. I want to make you aware, when we cross that bridge here, then something big could happen. And these are then the things that you normally want to get into. Again, no financial advice here. Everybody needs to make their own conclusions, and it's all risky, and it's all based on, you need to have an understanding of what you're actually doing. But when you, again, I say it once more, in this bull run, and it's normally all the time the same, you've got one crypto starting, the other ones are following. If you understand which one is following which one, and we could really track that on this channel because we had so many cryptos following each other, and they all do the same thing. It's just sometimes with a time delay, and that is so interesting here in crypto. So yeah, very, very interesting. You can basically get profits from one crypto, then go out, get into the next one, which is doing the same pattern, go into the next one, which is doing the same pattern. At some point then, when Bitcoin is having a breakdown, they all come down, but it's all starting again then. So that, that's the next one, Enjin Coin. And I'm so glad that we've been talking about Enjin Coin when we were actually coming down here, talked about the descending wedge, that we would break out to the upside. We did it, and now we're following the same pattern. And again, we're now at 171, so maybe we're just going up as we speak. So I'm better uploading this video now quickly and let the guys in the private Telegram group know. And then, hopefully maybe to see you one day in the Telegram group as a channel member. If not, please continue to comment and hit the like button, and I'll continue to push out content that hopefully helps you guys to make decisions. Obviously, again, everybody needs to make their own decisions. And you seem to enjoy the content, and that motivates me, and thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Bye bye.